Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today we're making pesto and pizza. Okay, we're going to start with lots of garlic and Parmesan cheese. These are real nuts, pine nuts, not walnuts, pine nuts. And then we have fresh basil and we have some beautiful extra virgin olive oil from Giada that we're going to try today. We're going to put some in a spoon, and I'm going to try it and see what it tastes like. It smells amazing. Let's cook with it. Okay, now there's our pesto. We've already got it in the food processor. It's already been processed. Now we're going to add some oil to it, and that's what it looks like when it's out of the oil. Now we're going to go back and look at it. There it is, just beautiful. And here it is, our beautiful fresh pesto made with Giada's special extra virgin olive oil. Now we're going to take this beautiful pesto and we're going to use it for our pizza. There's our pizza after it was completed. The recipe is on the website. See you next time on The Good Plate.